Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a rhomboid with mounting holes. So let's start. First of all, we need to access Designer. So I'm going to scroll down and here you see you've got MEVACO Product Designer. Click on that one. Then I have all the description and I can click Try out the Product Designer now. That will bring me to the Designer interface. So of course, all I need to do now is to set up my perimeters. So I'm gonna set them correctly. I'm gonna choose slotted holes, perforation slotted holes staggered, hole diameter slightly bigger 5 by 20, hole pitch 9 by 24, and pattern finished pattern, material steel 1.5, and surface without further treatment. I click on Add Position, confirm my perimeters, and now I can choose one of MEVACO templates. I would like to draw rhomboid, so the quickest way is to use one of my templates. You can open this template, and as you see, there are many dimensions which can be updated. So I'd say I would like to have the width at 1000 millimeters, an angle 60 degrees, and the length at 1300 millimeters. Okay, that's all right. I can adjust other dimensions. So whenever I adjust dimension, of course, the other dimension are being updated, right? So 1300, we will leave it at that point like this. And I click on Create button. I'm going to turn this grid, go to the perforated zone area. You see this error here to narrow margins. Of course, I need to adjust my margins. Can hide the perimeters. And under Tools, I go to the Adjustment tool, and Merging, I'm going to set a merging along all edges at 100 millimeters. So we've got this 100 millimeters running along the edges. Nice and smooth. So that's done. But I would like actually a rhomboid running in a different direction, an opposite direction, this way. I cannot alter it in this drawing. I just need to start from scratch. So I go to the summary, delete this template, and add another one. Again, I'm going to choose rhomboid once again. Here, I will just put minus. So minus will define the direction, the opposite direction, as you can see soon. I'm going to click on Create. I'll leave other dimensions as they are for the purpose of this training and go to the perforated zone, turn off the grid, and adjust my margin. So you see, the minus dimension has altered the rhomboid's direction. Margin 100, we're done. That was nice and easy, right? So our next step is to place some fixing holes. I'm going to go to the section Fixing Holes. As you see, my fixing holes, they should run along this edge. So if I choose slotted hole, quite a big one, let's say 20 by 40, still it's running horizontally. I need to rotate it. But in order to do that, I need to know this angle. So I'm going to measure this angle with an angle tool. Under dimensioning, you've got this tool. I'm going to click on it. First click, second click, and third click. It's 127 degrees. So I need to draw a guideline at 127 degrees. First of all, I can also rotate my fixing hole just to show you. Yes, they are just running along the edge, but I would like to set them 50 millimeters away from the edge. So I need a guideline. I need actually to offset a guideline. I know the angle. 1 to 7. Distance is 50. So I can place zoom in and I can place my guideline. We'll do the same for the other side. And here, minus 50. Now I can go back. Oh no, I have forgotten about the another guideline. Angle 0, distance 200, horizontally. I need to place it horizontally. 200 minus 200. We're done. That's perfect. And I'm going to place my fixing holes at those cross sections, right? So whenever I choose one, I'm going to place it. First mounting hole, another one, and here, and the fourth one, and we are pretty much done. Yes, that's ready. Go to preview. This is my plate, rhomboid plate with fixing holes. Let's say I would like to duplicate it, or I would like to design very similar plate but longer. So there's no problem with that. The quickest way is to duplicate. I click on this icon here, say I would like to copy. So I have a copy of that one. I go to the fixing hole section. I'm going to turn the grid, click on this arrow here, and now I can select part that I would like to extend. So with a left click, I draw a rectangle to choose my points and line and side of the rhomboid. Now I can move it. I would like to extend it by 100 millimeters. So that's done. You see how quick that is on those dimensions. They got also updated. So we are done. I can go to the preview. This is our rhomboid. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you for your attention.